Hey guys, so this is the unboxing video of my Philips trimmer which I have already unboxed and I'm doing this again. So yes, this is my Philips trimmer. This package is sent to the box. Yes, Philips. This is the user guide. You can see it. This is the user guide. This is the one absolutely empty. Here comes the main thing. This is a USB cable which is given to charge my trimmer, and these are some blades which are given, or what you say, I don't know what to say this. Yeah, it's for the measurement, like how long you want your beard to be. And this is a brush for cleaning it. Here comes the main thing. Yes. So here is the trimmer. Oh, sorry, backside. Yes. This is my Philips trimmer. So it's made in Indonesia, as you can see. And this is not waterproof. And from here you can charge this trimmer from this port. So these are some combs given with this trimmer of 5mm, 1mm and 7mm respectively. So to use this we have to, if this is the trimmer and this is the comb, you have to put it like this over here, like this, and then clip it down at here like this, and then it's done. It looks something like this, and then you can use it to remove. Put it out like this, and then it's removed. Same with the other two. Done. Now we can remove it like this. And if you wish to remove this for cleaning purposes, you can put it here. Don't worry, your hand won't cut, and take it out like this. And then you can use this brush and this to clean these things, to clean an iPod. That's absolutely clean because I haven't used this for even for a day. So now I'm gonna use it for the first time. Yes, so let's go. So I'm all set with my trimmer to trim my beard for the very first time in my life. So first I'm going to apply this. So here. So this is being applied. Oh, sorry. Done. I'm going to switch it on. It feels so weird. Like, oh my god. So like this it looks good, yeah. It looks good. I think I should remove this, right? I don't know if I'm doing it right or not, but yes, I am doing it in the way I have seen. I think it's got battery down over there. Yes, it's got battery collapse. Okay, sorry. So for the आई थिंक आई हैव टू चार्ज इट बिफोर यूजिंग। तो मैं तो इसको चार्ज करता, मैंने पूरा चार्जर सिस्टम ही यहाँ ले आया। देखो यहाँ चार्ज हो रहा है अभी, तो इट्स चार्जिंग। अब आई कांट वेट।
One eternity later.
थोड़ा सा बाकी है इधर पे, और ये सोचा फिर से करने का। सो लेट्स डू इट। ये चार्ज हो रहा है, चार्ज लगा हुआ है। फिर बैटरी डालोगे 5-15 मिनट चार्ज पर 2 मिनट चलाएगा। चल फिर भी दादी से पूछ के आता हूँ मैं कैसा लग रहा हूँ।